Welcome to another episode of Hiroyuki Terada, Diaries of a Master Sushi Chef. Hiro-san, how are you?
Hi, very, very good afternoon.
Very good afternoon. We got a wonderful episode today.
Yes.
This wasn't even a recipe. I was so used to saying recipe, but we also have a very special guest today here with us. This is Ayako. You saw her in all the videos. She's one of our friends. Okay, Hiro-san, what are we doing today?
Today's recipe is actually here. Instant noodle ramen. So I found this one just 2-3 weeks ago. Tonkotsu ramen I saw in the supermarket.
Okay.
So I just buy this one and I tried this one actually already.
Okay.
Be honest. And sukiyaki ramen. Here is a hot spicy chicken flavor, hot spicy with shrimp flavor, and spicy miso ramen.
Okay.
So we're going to tasting.
Right.
Yes. And then I have a paper here for I'm gonna do, and then she's gonna do, and also the cameraman do.
Right.
To your favorite 1 to 5.
Okay.
So most of favorites coming to 1, and the after following that. So we're gonna make everything at the same times. And noodle itself is pretty much everything same, I guess. So basically it's soup.
I was reading this one here, the hearty pork flavor. On the label itself, it talks about what tonkatsu is, and it's basically made by stewing pork bones for long periods of time in high heat. The result is a rich, full flavor of broth and a creamy texture. So my question was, is this what this is inside, or is this kind of explaining what tonkatsu ramen is, you know?
Okay. This one like that. Open up. You have 2 things inside. So open up and put it here for me.
Very, very simple. Basically, just open up the lid halfway, put some boiling water in. There's actually 2 packets in here.
Right.
They were saying put the first packet in and then boiling water, then afterwards add the second packet, but I'm not sure if it's going to make that much of a difference. Anyway, 3 minutes and you've got this soup ready to go and enjoy.
Have you made a 5 instant ramen at the same time?
No. My first time. First time doing a taste test too. So I'm looking forward to this. Now, I was mentioning to you, Hiro, we're going to do a spicy ramen challenge for you too.
Spicy ramen challenge?
Yes.
I wanna try.
You want to try that too? Okay, we're going to get both of you to try that. And me too, I'm going to try that. See what kind of goodies are in there. Kind of high in sodium, so if you guys have a high blood pressure, just be careful. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna start to put down
Okay.
water.
And they conveniently, there's a line inside there too that they said fill up to the line, which is about 3/4 of the way.
Yeah. That's it.
Yeah, that's it. How about you, Hiro? You tried 5 different ramen at one time?
The 5 ramen? No. 2 ramen, yes. But 5 ramen at the same time.
All different flavor.
Yeah.
We have both packets in there?
Yes, everything in it.
Okay.
Okay. Time start
3 minutes.
3 minutes.
We are ready.
Another 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready.
Itadakimasu.
Yes.
Itadakimasu.
Okay. So I'm gonna open up the lid and then I'm gonna mix it.
Okay.
This is the tonkotsu, so I'm gonna keep label here.
Okay. Sukiyaki, that's supposed to be maybe more sweet. And everything is basically spicy, miso, hot and spicy, or shrimp or chicken.
はい。 じゃあこれを親子さん、混ぜてください。
Okay, Hiro.
Okay, let's do mix it up. どうぞ混ぜてください。
That looks good.
Okay.
Spicy one, you know?
Ready. So I'm gonna give it one by one.
Okay.
For you, one for me, and then tasting the soup.
Taste the soup
Mostly.
first, right?
Yes. はい。
Okay.
はい。Everybody tasting.
Okay,
And
enjoy.
I'm gonna put the paperwork. One for
I feel
you,
like I'm in class in school again.
and one for you, and one I do myself too. Okay, let's go. はい。Okay, I'm gonna do this one.
Miso is good. It's sweet. Tonkatsu. It's good.
I thought that this one is not soup is almost same, but it's a little bit different. To me, it's a little bit more mild. This one more spicier. I'm very one thing. I know which one go for number one, but number two I'm still confusing. Number two.
Yeah. I think I know number one. Try this one again. Okay, I'm
Okay.
gonna write down mine. And I don't expect anyone to read my handwriting, but this one again.
Okay, got it. So first, who's going to be
Wait
first?
for her. Wait for her.
Okay, wait for her. Okay.
It's good. I cannot.
Take it another taste. I want to confirm here. You want to get another taste, Hiro? Make sure.
Yeah, maybe I'm gonna try it one more time.
I have two tied for one, but I think I made the right choice. Interesting what we all think of these different ramen noodles. Oh, Hiro-san,
Okay, who's gonna be first?
go ahead. What do you have for number one?
I have a number one.
Which is first for you?
Okay, my one is like this. Number one is tonkotsu to me,
Wow. Okay.
and then number two is spicy miso.
Okay.
And number three is sukiyaki.
Okay.
Number four, hot and spicy with shrimp, and five one hot spicy chicken.
Okay. Ayaka, hold yours. Leave yours up with Hiro.
Okay,
Okay. You like the miso first?
miso first.
Yes.
Tankatsu
Tonkatsu and
Chicken.
chicken and for sukiyaki
and
and
shrimp.
fried shrimp.
Okay. And here's mine.
What is that?
読めます。
豚骨 right?
I cannot read it.
Yes, tankatsu.
Tonkotsu,
That's spicy mayo.
miso,
Spicy miso.
hot and spicy chicken,
Yeah.
and hot spicy shrimp. And sukiyaki is the
Because
last one.
sukiyaki is a little sweet to me.
Uh-huh.
I don't really care for this.
Ah, I
but
see, I see.
if you like it, it's up to you.
Okay.
And I'm really
So-
liking spicy foods. So the spicy-
Tonkotsu, two person choosing the tonkotsu
Yeah.
number one. And spicy miso, that's
yeah.
the same. And the miso is gonna be number one and tonkotsu, right? And pretty much, I think spicy miso and the tonkotsu is a better one.
Yeah, the best one, best tasting. And this is, it's not that spicy. You know, if you home can't have any spice, then maybe it is, but.
Number three. Three.
Number
Okay.
3 is sukiyaki, chicken and chicken. Number 3 is the same. Number 4, different.
Four is a sukiyaki.
Hot spicy shrimp and
That's same.
yeah, shrimp. So winner is tonkotsu and spicy miso.
Yeah.
That's a result
That's
for
great.
today.
It was a lot of fun. We got to do this again with the spicy ramen challenge. Okay.
Yes, we're gonna continue to this series also.
Yeah. Well, thanks for watching.
Thank you very much.
If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Let us know what you want us to try next. Thank you again. See you soon.
Yeah, see you soon. Thank you.